Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academy online class grade 7 unit number 1 sets. So student, we have to do exercise number 1.1. In the today lecture we have to do question number 8 and 9. So all the student open your book page number 14 and also open your notebook. So let's start our question number 8 and 9. So student, question number 8 is find the universal set. You know the universal stand for U. Universal set. So universal is equal to U set is if A is equal to 139 and A universal. A universal is equal to U 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. Universal set is equal to A union A universal. When you have find the universal in U set, you have to take a union of this set. For example, the set is equal to A and A universal. So when you take a union of the A and A universal, the universal says to be a come. So universal set is equal to U A union A universal. A is equal to 139 union A universal 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. So when you take A universal, A union A universal, U is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 12. You have union mean arrange your orders sequentially. So when you have found the universal set, you have the take union of that set of that universal set. So next question number 9. Let U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, B is equal to 5, 6, 7 and 2, B is equal to 1, 3, 5. This show that A union B bracket universal is equal to A universal intersection B universal. So student, A union B universal. A union B is equal to 5, 6, 7 union 1, 3, 5. When you have take a union, it means arrange all the orders sequentially. A union B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. They say that A union B universal. Only we have to find A union B. Then we find out the A union B universal. A union B universal is equal to A U minus A union B. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus B A union B 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So when you have subtracting the both sides, the A union B universal is equal to 2 and 4. Then a question part B, A union A universal intersection B universal. A universal is equal to U minus A. Value of U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A is equal to 5, 6, 7. When you have subtracting U minus A, the value is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So A universal is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B universal is equal to U minus B. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 3, 5. When you have subtracting U minus B, the B universal is equal to 2, 4, 6, 7. So this is that A universal intersection B universal. You have only find A universal, B universal. They also say that A universal intersection B universal. When you have a take intersection is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, intersection 2, 4, 6, 7. The intersection means that's the common elements on a both sides. The common elements is 2, 4. So the A universal intersection B universal is equal to 2 and 4. So the left and right hand side to be equal to is equal to because that A union B universal is equal to 2, 4. A universal intersection B universal is equal to 2, 4. So it's proved that both sides are to be equal to each other. Be remember that when you have a find universal set, U set is you have to take a union of that set by the universal of that set. For example, like that B union B universal, C union C universal. That we depend on given sets name. But when you have find the universal set, it means that you have take a union of both sets. When you take a union means arrange all the orders sequentially. Universal set means, for example, they say that find the universal of that set U minus that set. When you have minus that set, it means that it's come there give the universal of those set. For example, A universal is equal to U minus A, B universal is equal to U minus A, and if you have a take universal of both sets, A union B intersection B, it means that you have the minus this set from U. So students, complete your homework, do your classwork, revise your lesson. Thank you. Allah.